Hello everyone, I'm Steven, the year head for upper secondary from Anderson Secondary School. I've been managing the NIFTY program for 2 years now, and during this NIFTY journey, I've seen how our students have learned to seize market opportunities and business opportunities and also conduct research. They also had to prepare a business pitch to present in front of a panel of judges for their final presentation. So during this NIFTY journey, I've really seen our students grow in terms of their communication, confidence and resilience. And they also acquire very relevant skill sets like problem solving, collaboration and self-directed learning. These are very useful learning that will serve them very well when they enter the workforce in the near future.
Hi, I'm Mr. Amar from Edgefield Secondary School and I'm a NIFTY teacher here. I've been teaching NIFTY since 2018. We initially thought that we would struggle a lot with the digitalization of such work session. However, we have noticed that the impact is still sustained in the sense that the students do get to ask questions. In fact, now with Zoom and its capabilities, the students are more forthcoming in asking questions. We really value the involvement of corporate volunteers, and it's something that is only achieved in NIFTY sessions whereby all 36 students are exposed and given an opportunity, a chance to interact with facils, with corporate volunteers, and this is something that is very, very unique to the NIFTY experience of students. There's a few students who started off with typing, but over the sessions, they actually started sharing more, they started becoming more forthcoming, they started getting out of their shell. Like with NIFTY, they've grown more self-aware, they're more conscious about their train of thoughts, about their thought process, and also about their viewpoints towards challenges in life. NIFTY promotes creativity and teaches them to be more positive and look at challenges in a more forthcoming manner. Instead of seeing challenges as something that brings them down, rather see it as an opportunity for ideas to grow.
Hi, I'm Kwek. I'm a NIFTY teacher at Greendale Secondary School. I've done this about 5 years now. And I think it provides a lot of opportunities for students to expose themselves to the people from the business sector, like the corporate volunteers. I think mainly in confidence, in their presentation skills, the more they practice and reflected on their performance, in the way they performed in their presentation. I guess practice makes perfect for them. Well, the quiet ones, surprisingly, once they got into the presentation and they got enough practice, they became rather good at it. But the highlight must be when they received their new clothes. I didn't expect them to be so, excited by these new clothes. And when I saw that, it was quite a nice thing to see.
Hi, my name is Sharil. I'm the year head from Evergreen Secondary School and I run the NIFTY program for Halogen here. Year after year, what I'm really amazed at how this program actually helped my students is how it actually brought up the confidence in them. I think that's the most important thing because I think coming from their own special backgrounds, they've been in a place where sometimes they're being put down or not even confident enough to step up out of their shell, to share what they have or what their interests are. But I think through NIFTY, they're able to do that. I really, really appreciate what NIFTY has done for them. I've seen students who have not been able to pick up in class. Students' interaction has improved. They point out their mistakes, maybe some of the things that they can improve. And I think that's very healthy. The perception of certain classmates has also changed. Through this program, especially through the business presentation, I think the rest of the class are able to see and understand their classmates better and see them for what they have brought to the table. I see some that are quite genuinely surprised at what their classmates were able to think of.
To all NIFTY students out there,
I would like to congratulate you for coming so far in this very fulfilling journey, and we are all very proud of your achievements.
The future is yours and the best years are ahead of you.
always look forward, think outside of the box, and think creatively.
We're always here for you. If you need help, just ask for it, okay?
Congratulations and wish you all the very best in your future endeavors.